Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at the Pivotal Tracker application for Android. Within this app, you'll see that we have the tracker logo in the upper left corner. Clicking on that will take you to notifications and allow you to switch projects. Up at the top, we can navigate between the backlog, the icebox, our epics panel, our done panel, and the my work panel. I'm going to go back to the backlog panel and open up a story. From within a story, you can look at the details of a story. So I can see the story state, that I currently have 2 reviews on this story, its description, that there are currently 2 labels. In this case, since they're purple, they're 2 epics. My feature type, the story estimate, my requesters, owners, and followers on the story. I can then click on reviews and see that I currently have a design review that is in progress, and I have a QA review that's already passed. I can go to blockers and see that I have a blocker on this story. I can go to the activity feed and see comments on the activity, such as when the QA review was passed. And then I can look at tasks on the story that have been entered, and I can go ahead and check them off if they've been completed. I can add activities in here. So if I want to come in and look at the activity or add a new one, new activity, and I'll try to do it without the typos, and say post. So I can add new activities. I can come in and edit the existing blocker. Or add a new one. And say save. I can go into my reviews, and maybe I'm the reviewer on this design review, and I can drop that down and say that it's passed. I can go to the details of this. There's the blocker that's on that story, see the description, and enter a new label if I needed to do that as well. Going back to the backlog, I can go into my icebox. I can click on a story here, change its state, which obviously changing its state will move it from the icebox into the backlog. So we'll see that that is now there, and it's no longer in the icebox where it had been previously. I can take a look at my epics panel and see what epics we currently have in progress, open up an epic and see all of the stories that are within that epic, see the details, so any information that I might have entered, and if I had any activity, I would see that as well. My work just gives me a consolidated list of everything that is assigned to me, and if I want to go in and say that perhaps I've started work on this story, I can go ahead and enter that. Oops, did not update that one. Because I haven't estimated it yet. So let me go ahead and estimate my story. And now I can start it. So tracker's rules still apply. And then I can also come in and finish and deliver other stories. So I hope this has given you a good feel for what you can do with the Tracker mobile app on Android. Please go out to the Google Play Store, download it, play around with it, and see what you think for yourself. And as always, please check out our other Tracker videos to learn even more.